हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ रश्मि रंजन पटनायक एंड आई एम वेलकमिंग यू ऑल टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज हम 5 जुलाई के कुछ करंट अफेयर्स डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो ये वीडियो प्लीज़ आप लास्ट तक देखिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। So, World Bank has approved $500 million for strengthening teaching, learning, and results for states program, which acronym is STAR, to improve the quality governance of school education in 6 Indian states, namely Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, and Rajasthan. So, World Bank approved 500 million for STARS. Its acronym is Strengthening Teaching, Learning, and Results States Program, to improve the quality governance of school education in 6 Indian states. The 6 Indian states are Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan. सो वर्ल्ड बैंक ने 500 मिलियन का एक लोन दिया है किसको? स्टार्स को। स्टार्स एक इनिशिएटिव है जो कि स्ट्रेंथनिंग टीचिंग, लर्निंग एंड रिजल्ट स्टेट्स प्रोग्राम टू इम्प्रूव द एजुकेशन इन स्कूल्स in Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan. So president of World Bank is David Malape. Next, Gudani T.S. Thomas has been re-elected as the president of Iceland. So Gudani Thomas Johansson has been re-elected as the president of Iceland. So the capital of Iceland is Reykjavik and the currency of Iceland is Icelandic krona or krona. So government of India, government of Tamil Nadu and World Bank has signed an agreement of two projects worth 250 million. One project is of 50 million and other project is of 200 million. So World Bank, Tamil Nadu government and government of India has signed 250 million agreement for two projects. So what is the first project? The first project is of 50 million, which is for Tamil Nadu Housing and Habitat Development Project, and the second one is for $200 million for Tamil Nadu Housing Sector Strengthening Program. So Tamil Nadu Government of India and World Bank has signed 250 million project. One is 50 million and other one is 200 million. Now, Karnataka government has launched a portal, Skill Connect Forum, to connect job seekers with the employers on a common platform. So, कर्नाटक गवर्नमेंट में अभी लॉन्च किया है एक पोर्टल जो कि है स्किल कनेक्ट फोरम. सो ये क्या करता है? इट कनेक्ट जॉब सीकर्स विथ एम्प्लॉयर्स. मीन्स जो लोग जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं विथ एम्प्लॉयर, जो लोग जॉब प्रोवाइड करते हैं on a common platform. That platform is Skill Connect Forum. So CM of Karnataka is B.S. Yedurappa and Governor of Karnataka is Vajuvai Valla. Next, Madhya Pradesh government has launched Hamara Ghar Hamara Vidyalay to take care of academic regularity of the students during the lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic. So, Madhya Pradesh government has launched Hamara Ghar Hamara Vidyalay initiatives for taking care of the students during the lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic. So, the campaign will commence on 6th July 2020. So, the campaign will start from 6th July and the CM of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. So Swiggy has launched its digital wallet Swiggy Money in the partnership with ICICI Bank. So Swiggy launched a digital wallet, that is Swiggy Money, in partnership with ICICI Bank to provide users with a single click checkout experience. Okay, so now Swiggy has a wallet, that is Swiggy Money, and it partner with ICICI Bank. And headquarter of Swiggy is Bengaluru, Karnataka, and CEO of Swiggy is Srihar Majeti. And headquarter of ICICI Bank is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and CEO of ICICI Bank is Sandeep Boxi. These 4 points are very important, including this point. So, former RBI Governor C. Rangarajan conferred with the first Professor P.C. Mahalanobis Award in official statistics for lifetime achievement for his contribution in providing solution in the issues related to the estimate of national income. So, former RBI Governor C. Rangarajan को प्रोफेसर पीसी महालनोबिस अवार्ड मिला है. क्यों मिला है? फॉर हिज contribution in providing solution in issue related to the estimation of national income. So national income को calculate करने के लिए जो estimation इन्होंने लाया था, इसके लिए उनको मिला है प्रोफेसर पी महालनोबिस अवार्ड. किसको? सी रंगराजन को. वो फॉर्मर आरबीआई गवर्नर है. सो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इज राव इंदरजीत सिंह. Chairman of National Static Commission is Bimal Kumar Roy, and Director of Indian Static Institution is Sanghamitra Vandopadhyay. So, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation is Rao Indrajit Singh. Chairman of National Static Commission is Bimal Kumar Roy, and Director of Indian Statistical Institute is Sanghamitra Vandopadhyay. Next. The 36th edition of biannual ASEAN, the full form of ASEAN is Association of Southeast Asian Nations Summit 2020, which was held by video conferencing in Hanoi, Vietnam. Theme is Cohesive and Responsive ASEAN. The theme of the ASEAN is Cohesive and Responsive ASEAN. The main focus of the summit was COVID-19 epidemic response, post-pandemic recovery, and further cooperation with the partners. Means इसका जो मेन मोटिव था वो क्या था? कोविड-19 एपिडेमिक रेस्पॉन्स. मीन्स कोविड-19 के बाद में हम क्या कर सकते हैं, रिकवरी कैसे कर सकते हैं और फर्दर कैसे कोऑपरेशन कर सकते हैं जो अदर कंट्री है. सो नंबर ऑफ एशियन कंट्रीज इज 10. Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju has launched the National Anti-Doping Agency first mobile app, NADA app. So NADA's full form of is National Anti-Doping Agency, which is for the athletes, for the doping test. So NADA has launched its first app, that is NADA app. So it was launched by Kiran Rijiju. It aims to bridge the gap between NADA and the athlete by offering easily accessible information of various aspects of force, prohibited substance as well as dope testing. Means ये जो ऐप है ये नाडा और एथलेटिक्स के बीच में एक ब्रिज बनाता है जो कि इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं वेरियस एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स के लिए जो डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स है इसको इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करता है. एंड प्रोहिबिटेड सब्सटेंस मीन्स जो कि आपको नहीं लेना चाहिए जब आप एक एथलेट हो, एंड एज वेल एज डोप टेस्टिंग. सो द डेज. नेशनल डॉक्टर डे इज ऑन 1st July. सो द थीम ऑफ द नेशनल डॉक्टर डे इज लेसन द मोर्टालिटी ऑफ COVID-19. सो दिस ईयर्स थीम इज lessen the mortality of COVID-19. The day also marked the birth anniversary of B.C. Roy, means विधान चंद्र रॉय. सो इस डॉक्टर्स डे को भी प्रधानमंत्री ने संबोधित किया था डॉक्टर्स को. नेशनल चार्टर्ड अकाउंट्स डे इज ऑन 1st July. नेशनल चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट डे, CA डे. इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ऑफ इंडिया हेडक्वार्टर इज ऑन न्यू दिल्ली. And President of Institute of Chartered Account India is CA Atul Kumar Gupta. So the president of ICAI is Atul Kumar Gupta. Now National Postal Worker Day is on 1st July. National Postal Worker Day is also on 1st July. So Director General of Indian Post is Arundhati Roy. So DG of Indian Post is Arundhati Roy. Legendary comedian Carl Linier passes away. So his two films are Oh God and The Zork. He had so many films, but these two films is important for your exam point of view, that Oh God and The Zork. The legendary comedian Carl Reiner. Next, India's first plasma bank to be set up in Delhi. So the first plasma bank, which is very important for COVID-19 patients, plasma, that bank is set up in Delhi. The plasma bank will start in its operation by 2nd July 2020. CM of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal and Governor of Delhi is Anil Baijal. So with this video is over. I hope you like this video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.